Imagine a world where every weld, every joint, every assembled metal piece reveals a story of precision, power, and unmatched performance. In this world, one tool stands out among the others, not only for its ability to turn vision into reality, but also for its promise of excellence and durability. The STAHLWERK ARC 200 MD IGBT, it is not just a welding machine. It is the key that opens the doors to infinite possibilities for craftsmen, DIY enthusiasts, and industry professionals. If you are interested, don't hesitate to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours today. This welding machine is the ideal tool for passionate DIY enthusiasts and welding professionals looking for a compact, powerful, and versatile machine for their MMA and TIG welding projects. Its portability and ease of use make it the perfect choice for those who demand quality and performance in the field or in their workshops. Let me take you on a journey through the revolutionary features of this welding machine and why it should be an essential tool in your welding arsenal. At first glance, this welding machine captivates with its compactness and lightness. Weighing only 2.5 kilo with dimensions of 20 cm by 10 cm by 10 cm, it defies the laws of physics by combining power and portability. This feat is made possible thanks to a single board design and the use of next-generation IGBT technology, thus providing an unprecedented welding experience. But what does this mean for you? Simply that you have in your hands a device capable of delivering an output current of 200 amperes for manual MMA arc welding with precision and stability of the electric arc that ensures welds of exceptional quality, and with its digital display, adjusting the welding parameters becomes a breeze, allowing for a customized use according to your specific needs. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Mobility is another major advantage of this welding machine. Thanks to its convenient strap, transporting this machine has never been easier. Whether you are a professional on the go or a DIY enthusiast working on various projects at home, this machine is your ideal companion. Safety and durability are also at the heart of the design of this welding machine. With features such as overheating protection, anti-stick, and hot start, the STAHLWERK ensures not only the longevity of your machine, but also your peace of mind during its use. And with a 7-year warranty directly from the manufacturer, you are assured of a safe and durable investment for those seeking flexibility. The STAHLWERK ARC 200 MD IGBT offers the possibility of being extended to a TIG DC welding station thanks to the optional WPV Universal Lift TIG torch. This means that you have, in a single tool, the ability to perform a wide variety of welding tasks, thereby increasing your versatility and efficiency. In terms of performance, this welding machine excels with its IGBT technology, which ensures maximum power and extended duty cycle even at full power. The intelligent cooling technology and built-in overheating protection ensure that your machine operates at its optimal capacity even in the most demanding conditions. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Buying this welding machine means choosing a device that combines performance, portability, and precision. You benefit not only from a high-quality tool designed and manufactured in Germany, but also from first-class customer service that includes product testing, sample welding, and on-site cutting. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, exceptional portability. Its lightweight and compact dimensions make it easy to transport and store, which is ideal for mobile users and those working in confined spaces. Advantage number 2, modern IGBT technology. It offers superior welding performance with better energy efficiency and increased durability compared to older technologies. Advantage number 3, welding versatility. The ability to switch from MMA welding to TIG welding with additional equipment, making the device suitable for a variety of welding tasks. Advantage 4, advanced integrated functions such as hot start, anti-stick, and intelligent temperature control that enhance the welding experience and the quality of the welds. Advantage number 5, Satan's warranty offers exceptional peace of mind. Let us emphasize the manufacturer's confidence in the durability and reliability of their products. Now let's move on to the drawbacks. The number 1 drawback is that it requires accessories for TIG welding. For those who wish to use the TIG functionality, the purchase of additional accessories is required, which represents an additional cost. So, why wait? Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already discovered the power and precision of the STAHLWERK ARC 200 MD IGBT. With over 1,404 ratings and a score of 4.65 stars, satisfaction and quality are guaranteed. Don't miss this opportunity to take your welding projects to the next level. Click on the link in the description to get started at the best price, learn more about the product, and explore the hundreds of customer reviews that have made this welding machine their #1 choice. Thank you for your attention, and I hope